Mason may make a special guest appearance, Phony.
Yeah.
Let's see what we got new today. So we got a brand new cash register, didn't we?
Yeah. And the mailman bought it.
Yeah, the mailman bought it. So let's look at it. We've got a scale. You put some food up here, and we got a microphone, and we got somewhere to hold our credit cards and money.
And you spin this.
Yep.
And it opens. And you spin it back. Close it.
Yep.
And let me show you one last time.
Show me how it works.
I was getting this and turning it. And you do like this. When it's 14, you spin it out again and get some more food. And you push buttons.
See, like this is milk. So let's look for milk over here.
Oh, yeah.
There you go. Okay, you've got it ready. You need to scan the barcode maybe?
Okay. It's called Cameo.
There's our guest star. Mason, Rollin.
And you scan it.
Beep.
And you.
And then you need to pay for it, don't you?
I put this.
Yeah, that don't go in there. Okay, are you going to pay for it?
Yeah. Let me get that.
Okay. You got your credit card.
And it gets that. And
If it gets stuck, you can open it up and push it out that way. We just learned that a few minutes ago, didn't we?
yeah.
Okay, Mason's going to get him a credit card. Okay, good job. This is a good thing to lock your money so you can keep it safe and sound in the register, right? And we've got some coins in here.
Yeah, comes with the cash register.
Yeah.
And we can turn it off.
Yeah, we always want to turn it off when we're done playing with it, right? So we save the battery.
Yeah. And Mason takes it out.
Yeah, Mason took it out. He takes stuff out and puts it back in. And you got this little microphone. Attention, shoppers. What's today's special, Hudson? What's on sale?
That says.
What food is on sale in the store?
And
Maybe some milk? Or Pop-Tarts?
we are out of Pop-Tart.
Oh man, we're out of Pop-Tarts. What about potato chips? Are potato chips on sale?
No.
Is anything on sale?
No.
Okay, attention shoppers, nothing is on sale.
Mr. Shark Palette.
You have to pay full price.
Yeah. I don't sit on him.
Oh, you're sitting on your customer. Oh no, you're squishing him. Poor little customer. Oh. Oh, he's okay.
But yeah.
Mason will help him. Oh no, Mason's going to squash him too. Oh no, a squashed customer again. Ah! Well, thank goodness his twin brother is safe. He looks kind of hungry. Oh no! Are you going to squish him too?
Yes.
Oh my goodness! Oh, he's trying to escape. Oh no! You squashed your customers.
Don't twist it because it close. And you do like this. Hello. And you do like this. And you do like this. Close this. Beep.
Cha-ching.
This is a little one. And I will like a drink and some soup.
Soup? Soup and a drink? Okay, coming right up.
Okay. And here's your credit card. And give it to me.
Ask him what he would like.
Okay, I got.
What does he want to eat?
You want some drink and soup? Yeah. Okay. What up? I'm gonna scan you credit card. Don't go away.
And a drink.
Okay. And here you go. Ow.
There you go, Mason. Put it in your pirate ship. Say thanks for coming.
Thanks for coming. Hey.
What are you doing?
I went game. I want to get the car. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, come right up. Oh, you got the gas register. I mean, this. There you go. Yeah. That's not a gas key. It's just stairs. There you go. Again.
What would you like, Hudson?
I want a drink of a drink.
A drink?
Now to go to the driveway. Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Ding ding, you've got a customer.
And what do you want? Here you go.
Thank you.
Here you go.
Thank you.
What do you like?
Hi, I would like a drink and a hot dog.
Okay. Hot dog.
Oh wait, I've got to pay you.
Okay. Here you go.
Thank you.
Hot dog too. Here you go.
Thank you. Num 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 num. That was delicious. I'm sharing my meal.
Num num num. Here you go. Okay.
I'm a little thirsty, sir. Yeah, my passenger's thirsty too.
Thirsty too. Okay.
We need 2 drinks. Here, I need to pay you again for another drink.
Okay.
I need 2 drinks instead of 1.
2 drinks.
Thank you.
No.
Sure. Look.
And here you go.
Oh, here, passenger. Here's your milk. Okay, we going grocery shopping? Okay, you got some food on the shelves, I see.
Oh, yeah. We got some food on.
What are you going to shop for today? What's on your grocery list?
Some soup, some seafood hot dogs, and that over there.
Okay, let's go shopping.
And beep beep.
Beep beep. Oh, Hudson shopping. Let's make some room for the other shopper. What are you gonna buy today? Let's see. You've got some fast food barbecue hot dog. Best in town. What else are you gonna shop for? I think you've switched buggies.
This.
Jello, yum.
This.
That looks like chocolate syrup.
I don't need that for my home.
No, you don't like chocolate.
Ah, someone knocked it.
Okay, Mason, what are you gonna buy today?
This? Yeah.
Yep, some toast,
This?
a hot dog. Mason likes hot dogs.
You don't like
He just had a hot dog for lunch.
this?
Chocolate chip cookie. I think Mason is putting stuff back on the shelf. Maybe he's not grocery shopping today. What else are you gonna buy today?
This?
Let's see, what is that? That is applesauce.
I don't like sauce.
Sometimes you do.
I don't like sauce. Your sauce?
I like applesauce. Do you?
This?
That's a chocolate bar.
I don't like chocolate bar.
Do you like chocolate?
No. I like chocolate bar.
Yeah. You like Debbie cakes, don't you, Mason?
Yeah.
You like the heart Valentine Debbie cakes and the
This?
Christmas tree Debbie cakes, don't you?
This? Yeah, it's in the Debbie cake.
The what?
Santa Debbie cake.
Yeah, the Santa Debbie cakes.
Yeah. This?
Jello? I think you've got another one already in there.
Yeah. It's got longer line.
I have no idea what you're saying. Okay. All right. Let's move on down to the next shelf and see what you're going to shop for.
And my glasses gonna fall down.
Oh, have you got a bad buggy? Does it not roll?
No.
That happened to us at the store last week. We had a bad buggy.
Yeah.
Oh, there's some macaroni.
That would be toxic for my customers.
Yeah, that would be great to put in your kitchen, wouldn't it? Oh, I see something that I know you like. Ice cream.
I think this is popsicles.
Okay.
This?
Maple syrup.
Yeah.
Okay.
I like it.
Some soup.
Soup.
What about those French fries? You haven't even seen those French fries and ketchup. You love French fries and ketchup, don't you? Are you finished? You got a lot. All right, let's go to the register. Do you have your credit card ready to pay?
No.
Uh-oh. Did you leave your money at home?
Oh. It's good. Yeah.
Okay, get your credit card so we can pay for your groceries. We're gonna have to scan all those. Do you think you can scan them all?
Maybe.
Okay, when you get done scanning, just put them into the bucket and that will be what you can take home. Pull your shopping cart close to you. Start scanning.
Mason taking my credit card.
Oh no, Mason's stealing your credit card. Okay, Mason may be the cashier. So why don't you hand him the food like we do in Oh no! Clean up on aisle 4. Oh no! Oh no! What a disaster! Oh, you got the French fry. see the total. What do you think it's gonna be? It cost $56,926. Oh my goodness. Are you typing in coupon codes?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let's see what you've got now. Net total now is $1. $1. Yeah. Okay, get your credit card. You gotta pay now. Here, we'll put this back in your buggy so you can take it out to your vehicle. Swap your card.
My big one.
Okay. All finished. You quadruple paying?
Yeah, for my friends.
Oh, okay. You buying extra for your friends. Now you need to take this out to your vehicle.
Oh, then my vehicle.
It's far away. All right, get to stroll in your cart.
My vehicle.
You may have to go around the kitchen. You parked by Hot Wheels City.
Yeah.
Is that gonna close?
I think so.
Oh no, you dropped your applesauce. Okay, let's take our shopping cart back to the store. Park it over there at the store.
My friend's over there. What? Go back to the grocery store?
That was a pretty successful shopping trip, wasn't it?
Yeah.
You got a lot of groceries.
How this comes out?
Did you lose a French fry?
Yeah.
It's okay.
Thanks for watching. Watch the videos. Go, go. Thanks for watching and subscribe down below. See my Hexxon Mason channel. Bye. No. Yeah. Fine. Thanks for watching. Subscribe down below. See you at Hexxon Mason channel. Bye.